So an update on the top roof here. Took a few days off. It was rainy, plus had some company, so I couldn't work on it. So last night I started tearing into this, and I've removed a bunch of rot throughout here, all the way over to here. Finished, well, this morning I did a bunch, did about half of it this morning. So I think I'm to the good stuff. I think I have all the rot, but they're calling for rain, so I had to put this on. Actually, it was supposed to be raining by now, so I put this on. It's only screwed in on the one side and the ends. I hope it's not high winds. If it is, this stuff is gonna have to take some stress. I could maybe put a couple screws in the center. Maybe that's what I should do. So I have a little time. It's not raining right now. So what I'm going to do is pull that up a little bit, finish off this end, and put a piece in here. I need to put the nails in and then put some Geico over top of those nail heads. And then I still have this corner here, which I don't understand why, but this has developed a crack here. Now it just cracked, I don't know, if maybe today even, because it's still fresh wood there. So I'm gonna Geico that and then put this piece of aluminum here and over there. So all the aluminum will be on. It's just that piece over there is gonna have to be rolled up, and I need to fill in and then Geico it and then put it back down. But at least it'll be protected for this storm that we're gonna get. Okay, so I'm gonna get to work. All this appears to be good. I think we're good on it. I'm glad I'm doing it. In hindsight, I wish I would have did this the first place, but you know, live and learn. And this way it's double protected. I got it Geicoed and the aluminum on top. So that's and I think what I'm going to do is pick up some Geico tape, retape all the seams on this roof, and then I don't know when, but at some point I'm going to get another 5 gallons of it and put another coat on. But I need to clean it first. I want to get it pretty clean. I don't want to be putting dirt in there, at least not as much as. But I really would feel better if all these seams were another layer of the tape. So I think that's what I'm going to do, is pick up another gallon of it. That should be enough to finish retaping all the seams. And then we'll have to get it cleaned at some point and another layer. Okay, let's get to it.